Alright guys, a quick video today. It's about my Eclipse again, and there she is right there. So today I posted actually on Instagram and Facebook a couple of weeks ago my license plate covers in the carbon fiber. You can see this one is in process. I'm still working on it. I need to sand it and clear it and all that, but I got one ready. So today I'm going to show you how to put it on and how it looks like on the Eclipse. Like I said, I made these, so if you want one, you can always hit me up, and then we can get things going and hopefully get you one. Anyway, real quick, I'm gonna put it right here. This one, as you can see, shiny, very nice. It is not as good as I wanted it to be, so that's why this one I'm putting on my Eclipse, just so people don't say, oh, you sold me a bad one. So it's pretty straightforward install. You remove your license plate and then you put the bolts back on right here. You can put it that way. Get your socket going. $10mm, at least for me. And there she is. There you go, guys. Of course, a little bit dirty here and there, but right now I was thinking I'm gonna put 2 more bolts right here on the bottom. I'm gonna drill it out and put it right there. But if you don't want to, you can also tap some right here as well to hold it. But other than that, it looks pretty cool. Just one more piece to add on this carbon fiber Eclipse. Big thing is happening with this one. This Eclipse actually might be getting this cut out and then be replaced with a carbon fiber piece. As well, even bigger thing, I am actually working on removing this glass and putting a sheet of carbon fiber in the shape of this glass, because this car is not going to be driven a lot. Hopefully I'm not going to get in trouble with that. But yeah, here she is. That's my license plate. Here she is. She is looking nice. Carbon fiber is it's a pretty cool thing to have. I'm really obsessed with that. So I'm making that one, and then in process I'm also making the whole complete, the bottom part that goes with it, as well as I'm making some of the exhaust pieces. There is the carbon fiber, this is actually camo carbon fiber plugs for the front intake. This is actually, I'm trying to make a mold, and this would be your right here, and if you want this piece only. So yeah, that will be going there. One more license plate is being made. Been busy with my 4G63, but anyway, I got the front replacement for the bumper holder. I just have to sand it down a little bit and clear it again and get that thing going. Extremely lightweight. Got a bunch of those inserts for the fog lights, not the fog lights, but the yeah, you can say fog lights. This is Kevlar, and then I got some of the forged ones as well, and a lot of these. So yeah, hit me up if you want one of those, and yeah, I'll make sure that I'll help you out with that, as well as I've been trying to make some of these 4G63 spark plug covers and all that. I haven't been probably ever posting about the carbon fiber, but yeah, I'm a huge fan of that, and I want to keep making it, and of course that's a pretty badass look as well. These I've been making these for a while now, and I just lost interest in these. This is just one failed piece that I had, but yeah, like I said, been experimenting with the carbon fiber. I got a bunch of the rolls, and then all kinds actually, Kevlar and the regular carbon fiber. But yeah, she has been sitting and repainting the brakes again, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you a quick little video. Just like I said, pretty cool license plate cover. For me, this is just fine. I'm not gonna bolt it. Probably I might, like I said, put a bolt right here and bolt right there, but that's about it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.